Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete someone's comment on your post in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Go to your profile page by clicking on the profile picture on the left hand side of your screen. Now scroll down your screen and go to the comment that you want to delete. Press and hold on the comment. Now click on the delete option. And if you're sure, click on the delete option once again. And that is how you can delete someone's comment on your post in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.